So hello beautiful people, how are you all doing? So guys, what you see here is body butter or body cream that I made for myself. Yeah, so guys, as you can see, this is so soft, and guys, it smells so good. Yeah, with this I use nature and organic things. Yeah, so I've told myself that I will never buy any product again. I'm going to be making it myself, and guys, I'm so proud of myself. Guys, this is what me and my family we've been using, and guys, this has been so helpful to us. Yeah, with my daughter, guy, her skin has not changed. Yeah, so this is so good. Yeah, so we ran out of it, and today I'm going to make it with you guys. Yeah, so as you can see, I have my shea butter and coconut here. I'm adding cetyl alcohol. The cetyl alcohol will allow the butter not to go hard. Here, so here I have hot water already boiling, so I'm going to place the shea butter, coconut, and the cetyl alcohol in here and melt it here. So guys, one thing with this body butter process is that the amount of shea butter you use should be the same amount of coconuts you use. So with mine, I made some coconut and I was supposed to add the store-bought one to it here, but I forgot that one here to add it. But some points I melted and I added it, but I didn't record it. So always make sure the amount of shea butter and the coconuts are always the same. Yes, so here after melting it, I'm going to cover it in place. You can put this in your fridge or your freezer. Yeah, but with the freezer, don't leave it for a longer time. With mine, I left it for a longer time, so at some point it was about to get frozen here, because at some point I had to go and pick my daughter from school. You could see that the as some bits are frozen, as you can see from the upo or the pan I'm using here. So some part was frozen. I had to get a spoon to guys, it was a hard job. So please use, if you have time, use your fridge instead of the freezer. Yeah, that's my advice here. So here, and also with this, you need a mixer. You can get the hand mixer like what I'm using, or you can get the standing one. It's up to you, but with this you need a mixer. And one thing, the mixer you use for this process, you cannot use it to do anything else. Yeah, so this mixer that you see me using is the mixer I use for my body butter. Yeah, that's what I use here. So I'm going to mix it or stir it until it becomes very frothy. Yeah, as you can see, this is me scooping the edges that was frozen. Yeah, so here, as you can see, I just scooped the edges here. So now I'm going to start mixing again until it's become very frothy and very solid. Yeah, just continue mixing. Yeah, mix until you get the texture you want. Yeah, but or until you get a texture that you can just take how you want it. Yeah, let me say how you want it. Yeah, so but one thing with this, if you don't mix it very well, it will become very very hard, very very hard. No matter the cetyl alcohol that you add, it will still become hard. Just mix it very well. Yeah, so as you can see, made dough when here you mix, guys. This was fun doing it. It was fun, and guys, it's it's so good. It was smelling so good. Yeah, and guys, with this, the last time I made it, my mom came and she saw it and she wanted some. My sister-in-law wanted some. Guys, it's so good. Yeah, this is what me, my husband, and my daughter, this is what we have been using in the house. And guys, this has been so good to us. It hasn't changed our skin. We still have our natural skin. Yeah, that's what we want. Yeah. So if you are watching this video, especially your kids, yeah, for children, they don't need any harsh products. I would advise this to parents to make this for your kids. Yeah, children need natural things. Yeah, so as you can see, this is what I'm going for. Yeah, see how it's looking. Yeah, but guys, at some point when I told you, so this is the fragrance I'm going to add. Yeah, so you can get. I got this from Amazon, so you can get any fragrance of your choice here. So I'm going to add as much as I want in here. So guys, remember I told you I forgot about the coconut. So at some point after putting this in the containers, that was when I remembered that I didn't add enough coconut, so I had to bring everything and then go through the process again. That's why I'm saying make sure, or else, because at some point the cream was so hard. I didn't understand why it was so hard. So when I was editing the video, that was when I remembered that I didn't add the big coconut. That was when so I had to go through the process again. Yeah, and now I have the texture that I want. Very soft. You saw from the beginning how soft this cream is looking, and guys, it smells so good. Yeah, you could smell the shea butter, you could smell the coconut. Guys, this is what I want, and I'm so proud of myself, guys. At some point I was just rubbing anyhow. And guys, this was smelling so good. So this is the results, guys. Check this out. Why would I go to the shop and buy this when I know I can make it myself at home with natural things? So if you are watching this video, my advice to you, stop buying all these processed things. Make this at home. This is natural thing that I use. See how soft this is looking, guys. This is what I use for myself. This is what I use for my daughter. My husband used this year, and this is me. I'm going to rub some on my face, and guys, see how my face is going to shine. Guys. So if you're seeing this video for the first time, please don't forget to share, like, and comment, and also let me know in the comment section if you're going to give this a try. Yeah, and also please, our comment is very important. Thank you for watching.